If you're looking for a method that doesn't require using a PC because you don't have one. Well, we're going to explain one of the easy and quick ways to be able to fix and be able to recover your cell phone if it appears with this. The padlock icon is in the upper left corner and appears on this side. Down below, accessibility, and want the easiest way and faster to recover your cell phone. Well, I recommend you watch this video without skipping ahead so that don't miss any details and be able to solve this recovery problem. What we're going to do is connect to a Wi-Fi network to begin this process. We'll also leave you other videos for PC and other videos without PC, different from this one. You'll find it in the video description and in the first pinned comment. We're going to connect to a Wi-Fi network to begin this recovery. We click here. Well, we're connected now. We're going to get to that part where we always. That screen lock appears separately from the lock. The screen will ask you for the Google account that was on that cell phone. That often happens sometimes when we buy you a phone. We created an account, we didn't write it down. But as time passes, we forget. So if that's your case, you're going to click here where it says, Use my Google account. You're going to click here where it says, Forget Gmail, and write this here. You're going to write it here too. Now what you're going to do is this, you're going to do it for 30 seconds. When those 30 seconds are up, you're going to go back. Now pay close attention. You're going to do it again and again. Again and again, and then now you're going to do this. It's an easy process. And quickly, for those people, you're going to quickly go back. You're going to click here for accessibility, enable it, double-click here. Double-click here, double-click here. Then you click here on Deny, and then you click here on Off. Then you go back, and then you're going to do this. This is very important. You're going to tap the screen several times. You click back, then another click. To add a new network, you're going to click on the little gear icon. You click here in Language, the 3 dots, Update. Now you're going to select it here and place it here. You're going to select here, well, you leave it there. Click here and leave only in. Depending on your phone's language, click back. Backwards, and now we're going to turn this off. We turn it off, and here you are going to write the following. Vas a escribir a asterisco numeral. Asterisco numeral 1, 1, 2, 2 numeral asterisco numeral. Asterisk, and here you will write. You're going to write this. You go here. Okay, we'll leave it like that. We'll click here. Then we're going to click here. We click back, then we scroll down. We've gone down to the last options. Here you're going to click on Reset. You're going to reset these 3 options, these 4 options that appear here. Once you've done that, you're going to press the button. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously. You're going to press it, and what you're going to cause is a forced restart. You're going to trigger that forced restart and wait for the phone. It won't take you back to the beginning if you did exactly as you did. We have applied it in this video tutorial. You'll be able to solve it, but let's say you made progress. If you didn't watch the video completely, then I wouldn't be able to help you. The method works because you'd be missing some detail. That's what usually happens. Sometimes they see the come. The video shows it in advance, but they don't realize they're missing a step in the process. What are we going to do now? You're going to do this. You're going to go here, you're going to click here and then click on Add. You click here on Android, and what are you going to do now? You're going to look for a different phone. Phone that has a screen lock. Apart from the screen lock that requires a Google account. That has a Google account. What are we going to do? We're going to synchronize this account we have here with this one. You'll see this option here, but let's select the little camera icon here. You're going to give it any permission it asks for and you're going to scan this. Here's a QR code that will show you the option to sign in with Google. Then you're going to activate what it asks you to and what you're going to do is sync this phone with this one. You're going to sync the two phones. So now you're going to add a screen lock to this phone. This is where the account would be synchronized. From Google, both the screen lock and everything else would be synchronized. This other phone is already syncing, and we'll show you. By then, the Google account and screen lock would be synchronized to the. Now, when they're synchronized, you'll see this little ball. If you see this little ball, it would be synchronizing. Once this little ball appears, you will now press the power button. Press and hold the volume down button simultaneously to perform a forced restart. You're going to perform a forced restart. Once you've done that forced restart, it would take you directly to the home page. It will take you to the beginning. You're going to take it to the start when it already takes you to the start. You are going to complete the recovery process. There, it would be completely finished, as we have indicated. The Google account we have here will be. It's already synchronized right now here on this phone. It will be synchronized. You're going to click here on Add. And now you'll see that it's going to tell you that the Google account on the other phone was added successfully. Let's see here. The account will appear. If you can see here, the Google account appears. You're going to click on it. Next, now you're going to take this and tell him you're not going to go. If you want, you can. I'm not going to add a screen lock here in Google Services. The account still appears for us. We click Next, your phone will be linked to that account. You can delete it if you want, or you can leave it as is. We'll wait. We'll start here now and wait for